So good morning, everyone. Today we are interacting and speaking about the discussing the rules of error rectification, and it is a knowledge sharing class. I would like to invite Utsav Raja to make a presentation on his understanding, his concept of the rules of error rectification. Yes, Utsav.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Utsav Raja. Today I am going to present my presentation on the rules of grammar. The first rule we have certain nouns possess a singular form but still represent plurality and thus take a plural word when used in a sentence. इसका मतलब ये है कि कुछ नाउन्स जो है वो सिंगुलर फॉर्म में होता है होते हैं लेकिन फिर भी हम लोग उनको प्लूरल फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सो वी हैव एग्जांपल द कैटल इज ग्रेजिंग. कैटल एक प्लूरल फॉर्म सिंगुलर फॉर्म है लेकिन प्लूरल फॉर्म में हम लोग यूज करते हैं. सो इट इज़ इनकरेक्ट. द करेक्ट इज द कैटल आर ग्रेजिंग. This one is correct. Now we have second. Certain nouns always take the plural verb because their form is always plural. इसमें ये बोल रहा है कि कुछ नाउन्स जो है वो प्लूरल वर्ब होते हैं लेकिन हम लोग उसको प्लूरल ही फॉर्म में यूज़ करते हैं. सो एग्जाम्पल, आई इज़ बाइंग 5 trousers. दिस वन इज़ इनकरेक्ट एंड द करेक्ट वन इज़ आई एम बाइंग 5 trousers. मतलब कि आई के साथ कभी भी हम लोग इज यूज़ नहीं कर सकते हैं और इसमें ट्राउजर के साथ जब भी नंबर्स लगाते हैं हम लोग जैसे 1 2 3 तो उसमें एस लगाना ज़रूरी होता है. नाउ द थर्ड इज व्हेन अ नंबर इज फॉलोड बाय अ नाउन डिनोटिंग मेजर लेंथ मनी नंबर और वेट द फॉर्म ऑफ द नाउन्स डज नॉट चेंज सो लॉन्ग एज दे आर फॉलोड बाय अनदर नाउन और प्रोनाउन. इसमें बोल रहा है कि कोई भी नंबर जब हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं नाउन के साथ तो जैसे कि मेज़र हो गया, लेंथ हो गया, मनी नंबर एक्सेट्रा, उसमें हम लोग कोई भी नाउन को चेंज नहीं करते हैं और उसी में कोई एक्स्ट्रा नाउन या प्रोनाउन ऐड कर देते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई एम परसुइंग बीकॉम कोर्स फॉर 3 ईयर फ्रॉम सीमेज प्रोफेशनल कॉलेज. दिस वन इज़ करेक्ट बिकॉज यहाँ पे हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि 3 ईयर है तो यहाँ पे एस लगाना ज़रूरी है. सो द करेक्ट वन इज़ आई एम परसुइंग बीकॉम कोर्स फॉर 3 ईयर्स फ्रॉम सीमेज प्रोफेशनल कॉलेज. नाउ द फोर्थ वन इज़ व्हेन अ नंबर इज़ फॉलोड बाय अ नाउन डिनोटिंग मेजर लेंथ मनी नंबर वेट बट these are not followed by another noun or pronoun then they take the plural form. इसमें भी वही है लेकिन इसमें थोड़ा सा चेंज हो गया है. कोई भी नाउन के साथ हम लोग फॉलो करते हैं तो इसमें उसमें था कि नाउन और प्रोनाउन लेना था, इसमें है कि हम लोग नाउन और प्रोनाउन को नहीं लेंगे, कुछ और लेंगे. तो फॉर एग्जांपल, आई बॉट अ 5 foot लॉन्ग रेफ्रिजरेटर. सो दिस वन इज़ करेक्ट. द करेक्ट वन इज़ आई बॉट अ 5 foot a long refrigerator. This one is correct. The fifth one is certain nouns especially of the collective category are used as singular when they are specify a unit. कुछ nouns जो है वो collective category के होते हैं, उसको हम लोग सिंगुलर नाउन की तरह यूज करते हैं और उसमें भी स्पेसिफाइड होना चाहिए, मतलब कि फिक्स होना चाहिए कुछ भी. So the example, the first example is the Bihar government were conducted election in the pandemic. This one is incorrect. The correct one is the Bihar government was conducted election in the pandemic. मतलब बिहार गवर्नमेंट हमारा एक ही है, 2-4 नहीं है, इसलिए हम लोग was यूज़ करेंगे, word नहीं. The sixth rule is certain nouns especially of the collective category are used in plural when they specify a difference of opinion or class. इसमें ये बोल रहा है कुछ नाउन्स जो है वो कलेक्टिव कैटेगरी के होते हैं लेकिन उनको प्लूरल फॉर्म में यूज करना होता है. इसमें भी स्पेसिफाई होता है और स्पेसिफाई के साथ डिफरेंस भी होता है ओपिनियन और क्लास का. सो द एग्जांपल इज सोहन टीम वर गुड इन हैंडलिंग द फंक्शन. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. द करेक्ट वन इज सोहन टीम वाज गुड इन हैंडलिंग द फंक्शन. सोहन टीम एक ही टीम है इसलिए हम लोग वाज यूज़ करेंगे, वर्ड यूज़ नहीं करेंगे. The seventh rule is if the pronoun one is used, it must be maintained throughout the sentence. मतलब किसी सेंटेंस में अगर प्रोनाउन है तो उसमें वन यूज होना चाहिए. इट इज मस्ट. So the example is one must take care of his elders. This one is incorrect. One must take care of one's elders. ये correct है हमारा. The eighth rule is the word whose is used for living people and which is used for non-living things or else. दो the word whose जो है वो हम लोग living people के लिए यूज करते हैं और which जो है वो non-living people के लिए यूज करते हैं. For example, which book is this? This one is correct. Incorrect. The correct is whose book is this. मतलब ये किसका बुक है, ना कि कौन सा बुक है. The ninth rule is less is used to denote quantity while fewer is used to denote number. इस रूल में हम लोग ये बोला है कि लेस इज यूज टू डेनोट क्वांटिटी वाइल फ्यूअर इज यूज टू डेनोट नंबर. लेस जो यूज़ होता है वो क्वांटिटी के लिए होता है और फ्यूअर जो होता है वो नंबर के लिए होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नो लेस देन 30 बुक्स वर इज इनकरेक्ट. नो फ्यूअर देन 30 बुक्स वर. यहाँ पे नंबर है तो हम लोग फ्यूअर यूज करेंगे, ना कि लेस यूज करेंगे. So the last one is 10th rule. One of is always followed by noun in the plural form. One of हमेशा यूज करना चाहिए जब वो नाउन के साथ फॉलो होता है और वो भी प्लूरल फॉर्म में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, one of the watches of mine were stolen. This one is incorrect. One of the watches of mine was stolen. इसका मतलब कि मेरा जो वॉच है वो एक ही है और हम भी एक ही हैं, इसलिए हम लोग वाज यूज करेंगे, वर्ड नहीं. थैंक यू एवरीवन. मैम, आई हैव मेड ओनली 10 sentences. Sorry, 10 rules.
Yeah, so that was good. It cleared your understanding also. When you make a presentation, when you're discussing something, when you discuss your knowledge, you multiply. And the next time when you revise, when you discuss, you don't forget. This will stay with you because you have shared it. You have gained confidence. I have discussed about some rules of error rectification. Next we have uh, yes, Rohit.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. This is Rohit Raj, and as my friend explained the 10th rule, I will explain after the 10th rule. So the 11th rule is only than should be used after no other. इसका मतलब हुआ कि हाँ, इसका मतलब हो गया कि दैन होगा ये जब कोई सेंटेंस में नो अदर होगा, इसके बाद दैन यूज होगा. जैसे कि आई लाइक नो अदर मूवी बट बैटमैन. तो ये इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस है. ये और करेक्ट सेंटेंस होगा आई लाइक नो अदर मूवी बट सॉरी आई लाइक नो अदर मूवी देन बैटमैन. तो ये करेक्ट सेंटेंस है. बैटमैन ये नो अदर के बाद बट यूज नहीं होगा, नो अदर के बाद देन यूज होगा. और the next rule is after the word know, how, what or when should be used before using the infinitive. तो इसका मतलब हो गया कि नो के बाद हाउ, व्हाट, व्हेन ये सब यूज होगा. जैसे कि एक एग्जांपल है आई नो टू रिस्पेक्ट एल्डर्स. तो ये एक इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस है. इसका करेक्ट सेंटेंस होगा आई नो हाउ टू रिस्पेक्ट एल्डर्स. तो एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं आई नो टू प्ले क्रिकेट. तो ये इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस है और करेक्ट सेंटेंस होगा आई नो हाउ टू प्ले क्रिकेट. तो ये करेक्ट सेंटेंस है. नो के बाद हाउ, व्हेन और व्हाट यूज होगा. And the third rule is if the verb indicate a purpose, an infinitive must be used, and if the verb indicate a cause, a gerund must be used. तो एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं, he went to the market for watching a circus. तो ये इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस है और करेक्ट सेंटेंस होगा he went to the market to watch a circus. And the 14th rule is as is not used with verbs like appointed, elected, considered, called, but it is used with the word regard. Let's take an example. He was elected as a student leader of the university. ये एक करेक्ट सेंटेंस है. He was elected leader of the university. ये करेक्ट सेंटेंस है. इलेक्टेड, कंसिडर्ड, अपॉइंटेड, कॉल्ड, ये सब के बाद एज यूज नहीं होगा. इसके बाद डायरेक्ट वो पोस्ट और डेजिग्नेट पोस्ट को रिप्रेजेंट किया जाएगा. एंड द नेक्स्ट रूल इज 15 rule is adverb should not be confused for adjective. An adjective describes the characteristic of the subject while an adverb describes the action of the verb. Let's take an example. The deer looked beautifully. ये एक इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस है और करेक्ट सेंटेंस है the deer looked beautiful. क्योंकि ये एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइब करता है कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट, जबकि एडवर्ब डिस्क्राइब करता है एक्शन ऑफ द वर्ब. तो द नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस इज द नेक्स्ट रूल इज क्वेश्चन टैग्स आर ऑलवेज द अपोजिट ऑफ द सेंटेंस, which means that if the sentence is positive, the question tag is negative and vice versa. So let's take an example. You were skating, were you? And ये incorrect sentence है, जबकि ये correct sentence होगा you were skating, were not you. और जब क्वेश्चन टैग निगेटिव होगा, जब क्वेश्चन टैग निगेटिव होगा तो ये पॉजिटिव होगा. सॉरी, हाँ, जब क्वेश्चन ये सेंटेंस इज पॉजिटिव होगा तो वो क्वेश्चन टैग निगेटिव होगा. जब सेंटेंस निगेटिव होगा तो क्वेश्चन टैग पॉजिटिव होगा. एंड दैट्स ऑल. आई हैव मेड ओनली 16 रूल. मैम आई एम डन. My voice is coming up, Jeet.
Yeah, some problems. Yeah, now we have Abhijit.
Ma'am, can I ask question from Rohit?
Yes, of course.
Rohit, will you please explain about gerund?
I have also some problem in that rule, so I did not explain that rule.
Okay.
You can ask from our teacher.
You can ask Abhijit.
Yes, Abhijit.
Yes, Abhijit.
Yes, sir. Repeat the question.
What do you mean by gerund?
Gerund.
Yes, gerund. Yeah. Anybody else? Anybody can answer. What is a gerund?
Spelling. Spelling.
G-E-R-U-N-D.
Gerund.
G-E-R-E.
Verb converted into a noun.
G-E-R-U-N-D.
I forgot.
The rules are not to be forgotten, you know. Rules are not to be forgotten. If you have written it down, anybody else, can anybody else answer what is a gerund? Is it a verb? Is it a noun? What is it?
Ma'am, verb using ing.
Yes, it is a verb which is converted into a noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Like
There was a change in the.
I like to play cricket. Playing is a good form of exercise. So, gerund is a verb which has been converted into a noun. Swimming is a good exercise. Walking is a good exercise. So, Priya, when a verb is converted into a noun, when you can use it as a noun, you will add ing. He has gone for swimming. Gone is the main verb. For swimming is a noun, right? So don't confuse with present continuous. Verb with an ing takes the place of a noun. Yes, Abhijit, continue.
I am Abhijit Prasad. I am starting from the first one. Certain noun possess a singular form, but still present plurality. It means certain some कुछ noun ऐसे हैं जो singular form में होता है, पर इन present कहते हैं plural form को, and does takes a plural form when used in sentence. वो जब sentence में use होते हैं तो plural में use होते हैं. तो जैसा है the cattle is gathering in the ground, just like he said. Utsav Raja said the cattle is grazing. I said the cattle is grazing in the ground, and is incorrect. And the cattle are grazing in the ground is correct. इसका जगह आर यूज होगा तब ये करेक्ट फॉर्म में आएगा, जैसे सिंगुलर फॉर्म प्लूरल फॉर्म को यूज किया जाता है. Singular. Certain nouns always take the plural form, right? Because their form is always plural. कुछ noun ऐसे हैं जिनका form plural ही रहता है, तो plural में use होते हैं. Just like spectacles is not a costly item, is incorrect, and spectacles are now a costly item. There is a change in the is or are. Is incorrect and R is correct. And other one is when a number is followed by a noun denoting measures, length, money, and number or weight, the form of the noun does not change so long as they are followed by another noun or pronoun. जैसे कुछ नंबर यूज होते हैं तब वो चेंज नहीं करते हैं, जैसे I have 10 dozens of shoes. ये incorrect है. I have 10 dozen of shoes. It's a correct sentence because dozens doesn't use in the number sentence when the noun is not changed. And when a number is followed by a noun denoting measure, length, money, number, or weight, but they are now not followed by another noun or pronoun, then they take the plural form. Just example, this mat is 5 yards long is incorrect. This mat is 5 yards long. There is also one example always here. The pitch is 22 yards long. This is incorrect, and the pitch is 22 yards long. It's a correct sentence. There is, and I was tell first one. This mat is 5 yards long. This is incorrect, and this mat is 5 yards long. Is correct sentence. There was change in the noun. It's a plural form is used. There is plural form is used. Certain noun, especially of the collective category, are used as singular when they especially a unit. Specify a unit. Collective noun, just like the audience were quiet, and we are quiet is an incorrect, and the audience was quiet is a correct sentence. Certain noun, especially of the collective categories, are used in plural form when they especially are differ from difference of opinion or class. The jury were unanimous in their decision. it means he takes decision in animals, just like no one. He take decision his self, not by the any bias method. The GSC was animals in its decision, was animals in its decision is correct, and that's it. 6 sentence, and 4 was written, but I forgot in the middle. Yes, I'm complete. 6.
Okay. Which number did you forget?
Man, 7, but I written. I forgot in the. I
Okay.
lost my diary.
Can anybody repeat the 7th rule? Hello? Priya, what is this? What was
Yes,
the 7th rule?
If the pronoun one is used, it must be maintained throughout the sentence. If it means that
1 minute, Priya. Please repeat again. Please repeat.
if the pronoun one is used, it must be maintained throughout the sentence. For example, one must respect his elder is the incorrect one, and the other correct one is that one must respect one's elder. In this sentence, we use once throughout the sentence. This is the correct one. Another rule is the word whose is used for living people and which is used for non-living thing or ideas. Which means that we use whose in the sentence for the living people, the live one, or which is used for the non-living things or any ideas. For example, uh, for example, just like we say whose pen is this, we here we indicate the people that whose pen is this. And if we use which in this sentence, we use for the non-living things. For example, uh, uh, which water bottle is used for drinking, or which plate is used for eating food or anything. This indicate the non-living things. Ninth one is less is used to denote quality, where while fewer is used to denote number. In this sentence, if we use less, it denote the quantity of the things, and fewer is denote the number of the things. For example, no less than 20 people were present is the incorrect one, but no less than uh, 20, but no fewer than 20 people were present is the correct one. Here fewer is denote the number, so it is this one is the correct one. Last one is one of is always followed by noun in the plural form. This means that one of is one of which use one of is used in the sentence, it show always the plural form in the sentence. For example, she is one of the least important person in the office. This one is the incorrect. Correct one is that she is one of the least important people in the office is the correct one. Ma'am, completed.
Right? Good. Now we have Deepak Kumar. Deepak, Rajat, Piyush, and Rajvi. Yes, Deepak. Hello, Deepak. Rajat Kumar, Abhishek, why your cameras are switched off? Rajvi, chalo. Deepak, are you starting? Discuss your understanding of the rules of seven,
Ma'am,
at least
I'm
7
not
rules of
completed, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm not prepared, ma'am.
Your students are being graded, no?
Ma'am,
This was supposed to
next class, no,
Mark,
next class में ma'am.
RQ is fixed for a day. I don't extend normally.
One day more.
I told you, I'll give you 2 minutes. Yes, Abhishek. Discuss what is your understanding about the rules of error rectification.
Ma'am, because I have not completed yet. That's why
At least you can come up with some rules so that you can get some marks.
some preparation अच्छे से नहीं हुआ.
Something is better than.
Ma'am, next class में.
Ma'am, can I explain more?
चलेगा तुमको ना? Are you happy settling with the zero?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Put this in a market today.
Ma'am, I don't know about this.
Yes. Rajvi,
Yes, ma'am.
are you in the boat or are you settling for a zero?
Ma'am, one day
No,
more.
ma'am. I will do this.
Okay. All right, Rajvi.
Ma'am, one day more.
Rule 1.
Give me one day.
Rule 1. Certain rule poses a singular form but still represent plurality and thus take a plural verb when used in a sentence. इसका मतलब है कि कुछ जो नाउन होता है वो सिंगुलर फॉर्म में होता है बट वो प्लूरल वर्ब को यूज करते हैं जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल द पुलिस हैज केम इज इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस बट द पुलिस have came is correct sentence.
Okay. The police have come. This have came. This is the correct sentence.
The police
How many?
has came is incorrect sentence.
What is the correct sentence then?
The police have came is correct sentence.
This is not a correct sentence.
Ma'am, this is written in your
No, I don't believe it.
what, ma'am?
Rajvi, you
No,
have
ma'am.
you have made a wrong.
मैम आप जो पीपीटी वो किए थे ना उसी का मैं स्क्रीनशॉट से बोल रहा हूँ.
Okay, तो पीपीटी में आपको एरर नहीं दिखा क्या? केम नहीं होगा, राजवी कम होगा.
नहीं मैम.
पुलिस have come.
Simple
have या has में
presence.
कभी past tense नहीं लगता.
Okay ma'am.
The police have come.
Okay ma'am.
Let's continue.
Second rule, certain noun always take the plural verb because their form is always plural. इसका मतलब है कि कुछ नाउन जो होते हैं वो हमेशा प्लूरल वर्ब यूज करते हैं लाइक सीजर्स, ट्राउजर्स, spectacles, thanks, promises. These nouns are in plural form but always these nouns always take the plural form. Ma'am, third rule I don't remember.
Tell me what you remember.
Ma'am, fourth rule. When a number is followed by a noun denoting measures, length, money, number or weight, but these are not followed by any other noun or pronoun. Example: million, pair, meter, yacht, dozen, etc. Rule 5. certain nouns, especially of the collective categories, are used as singular when they especially a unit. Example, public, team, committee. मतलब मैम certain noun मतलब कुछ noun जो होते हैं वो स्पेशली वो collective categories के होने चाहिए, are used as singular. उसको हम लोग singular की तरह use करते हैं, but when they are specified as a unit, जब हम लोग उसको unit की तरह use करते हैं तो वो उसको हम लोग singular form में use करते हैं. Example, public, team, committee, जो कि collective noun होता है. Rule 6, certain nouns, especially of the collective categories, are used in plural when they are specifying a difference of opinion or class. Means that मतलब मैम कुछ nouns जो होते हैं वो especially of collective category मतलब collective noun होना चाहिए, are used in a plural, वो plural form में होते हैं, but मतलब मैम जब उनका ओपिनियन वगैरह डिफरेंट हो जाता है तो हम लोग उनको प्लूरल फॉर्म में यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि मैम द ज्यूरी वाज डिवाइडेड इन इट्स ओपिनियन.
It means
It's incorrect. The jury were divided in its opinion.
because they had different opinions.
Yes, ma'am. When they have different opinion, we use yeah, plural verb with that. Seventh rule: if the person, if the pronoun one is used, it must be maintained throughout the sentence. For example, one must respect their elder. Must respect one's elder. One must respect their elder is incorrect. One must respect one's elder is correct. Rule number 8: the word.
All right, Rajvi. Now we're coming back to Abhishek.
Yes, ma'am.
Share your understanding.
Good morning, everyone. Here I'm saying about the understanding of what ma'am taught in last class. The the first point is certain noun possesses a singular form, but it still represents plurality and does take a sentence. कुछ ऐसे नाउन होते हैं जो सिंगुलर फॉर्म पे होते हैं बट वो फिर भी प्लूरल रूल को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं और does take a plural verb और वो plural verb यूज करते हैं अपने सेंटेंस में. The first example is for this. The first incorrect example is people is usually aware of the rules. It is incorrect one, and correct one is people are usually aware of the rules. Second point, certain noun always take the plural verb because their form is always plural. कुछ ऐसे नाउन होते हैं जो प्लूरल वर्ब को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं और वो हमेशा ही प्लूरल होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, I is buying 3 trousers. It is incorrect one. I am buying 3 trousers. It is correct one. Third point, when a number is followed by a noun denoting measures in length, money, number, or weight, the form of the noun does not change so long as they are followed by another noun or pronoun. कुछ नंबर जो नाउन से फॉलो होते हैं जैसे मेजर, लेंथ, मनी और वेट, द फोर्स ऑफ द मेन नाउन डज नॉट चेंज. नाउन उसका चेंज नहीं होता है so long as they are followed by another noun or pronoun. उस सेंटेंस में हम लोग another noun और pronoun को भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, it is a 3 years degree course. It is incorrect one. It is a 3-year degree course. It is a correct one. Fourth one, when a number is followed by a noun denoting measure, length, money, number, or weight, but they are not followed by another noun or pronoun. Then they like take the plural form. कुछ ऐसे नंबर होते हैं जो कुछ ऐसे नंबर जो नाउन में प्रयोग होते हैं बट फिर भी दूसरे नाउन और प्रोनाउन को यूज नहीं करते हैं, तो इस केस में प्लूरल फॉर्म का यूज किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई ऑर्डर 25 डजन टीवी. It is incorrect one. I ordered 25 dozens TV. It is correct one. Certain nouns.
Great, Avishni. That was good. It has cleared your understanding. And now we have Piyush and Rajat Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. Hello,
Yes, Piyush.
ma'am. Ma'am, I was not attend because his previous class नहीं किए.
Okay. Rajat.
Yes, ma'am. I will show ma'am next class.
Okay then. Okay then. For today. So this was to mark you. I expect clear this by the next time.